Alright, so we just got done changing the battery. We're going back out. Well, we got that one too, but it doesn't run. So, and it's not really ours. We're just fixing it for one of our friends. It's a Hawk 150. I think it's like maybe a Honda or something. What's he doing? What?
It is not riding that. That's all I know.
Here's good. Push it. Here. Sounds horrible. Go in a second. Go in a second. Check the oil. Turn it off. This the oil?
Yep. Let me go pull it up real fast. Let me pull it up.
Hold on.
Let me pull it up.
Child. So I'm gonna go check the oil.
I don't know what's going on. It's not right. And my buddy just left. So I'm gonna try to get this fixed.
Yeah, one of our friends just left. What? I think.
Well, this is new dirtbike we're working on.
Yeah. One of our friends gave it to us to fix up. Because it didn't run.
I'll be right back.
But, yeah. It's, this one actually has a clutch. But, if you look, what? Let me put the kickstand down. Kickstand down. And then see. But yeah, this is it. It's got a Honda motor in it. If I'm putting like 1600, 1500. But yeah. So that's fine.
Hey, let me go check the oil. I need a screwdriver. Here, I'll hold it in. Just tell them to talk about it. This is my Sierra 110. We need to check the freaking oil on this thing. I think it's been the oil, but I'll show you what it's sounding like. It's like, and then it just like, it's doing this. Let me show you guys. Let's just bring it out here real fast. Oops, just hit the bike. On the bike. Oops. Let's go. Once my brother gets out here, we're gonna check the oil on it. But I'll show you what he sounds like. What she sounds like. She sounds pretty good, but like when it's just a neutral. That's a neutral, but sometimes it's like. But listen, sounds good when it's idling. Sounds good, right? Sounds good. Oh, put it in first gear. Sounds fine. Second gear. Sounds fine. Then you start getting up to speed. Hold on just a second. And then you start slowing down. it over here and check the oil on her? I get it out of gear.
What way does it go?
I don't know, try.
Let's see.
Okay, got it.
Looks like it's got enough oil.
It might be bad oil though, that's the problem. Wipe it on something, like your pants or something. Just make sure there's no dirt on that stick. Because if there's dirt on that stick, it'll get in the oil. Let's see it. Let me see it, Levi.
Hold on, kid.
Call me
dirt
kid.
off.
I'll put it back in.
Take it out again.
What?
Take it out again.
Yeah. Take it out again.
No, set it up like a tripod.
I don't want to right now. Let me check. Don't. Yeah, that oil's nasty looking color. That.
Maybe
How much oil's even in there?
let me see.
Yeah, that oil doesn't look right.
There's no oil in there.
Yes, there is. Let me see.
There's no oil in there. Look,
Yes,
there's
there's
the most tiniest bit.
Yeah, that needs oil. Oh my gosh, there's like no oil in there. That is flat out empty, and the oil looks terrible.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go take this back up to the shop, go see if there's any oil. That's 100% the problem.
Trying to do this. Doesn't work as a tripod, so. Yeah. Alright. There's a tripod. Or the old thing. We live by a main road, so. And this is like kind of the track, and so. Oh crap. But yeah, this is me. Levi. That's Camden, who was just talking, but the oil was bad and everything. Gosh dang. It's so cold out right now. Oh my gosh. Say hi to the video.
What oil does CRF 110?
My dad's in bed right now. I'm going to the garage. I think I like to work some kind of. Turn on the lights. Okay. Yeah. I'm in the garage. Yeah.
It takes 10W30.
10W30.
Yeah, let me see it. Let me see the camera. Hey, let me take it. This is a lighter too.
I think.
It's on safety. You have to put it down first.
Good question. I think it is lighter though.
Yeah, it's a lighter. Put it down. Put it down.
Oh, wait. Wait, no. You got to cock it back.
You do? Hold up. Where's the
Hey,
oil?
look, Camden, this is a
The oil's over here. Don't do that.
Well,
Cause. Oh, there's our fishing poles. That's mine. That's mine. I got a few more too, but let's see if we have any 10W30. Look through there, see if we have any 10W30.
okay. First can, 10W30.
Nuh-uh.
Okay.
I was about to say, no way. There's already a can of 10W30. Hopefully. What is this? That's just 2-cycle engine oil.
No 10W30 in here.
TCW3. That might be 10W because it's 2-cycle. Nope. We don't have 2-cycle. The dirt bike's a four stroke, so it's not a 2-cycle. It's regular gas.
Yes. Yeah.
What is this? 2-cycle. That's two. Oh, I think all over here is 2-cycle. My dad said we don't have any, but we're gonna look to double check. Power steering fluid. Dirt bikes don't take power steering fluid.
Camden, do you want to use this for the trap one?
You can't. It's for a dirt bike, Jack.
No, it's not.
Yeah, there's a bait right there. Just fell in between your legs. Oh. Is that a bait?
No, it's just like...
Just the hair. There's the... Oh my gosh, why is there so much power steering fluid? Yep. Hold up. Maybe this is 10W30. I highly doubt it though. Oh, 15W40. That's so close. Dang it.
What is it? 10W30?
Yeah, we need 10W30, but there's only 15W40.
10W30? 10W30?
That's not 10W30.
Definitely not. What is that?
Yeah, that. Don't set it on there. Put it
Fine, it's fine.
We don't want to make a mess in the garage. Get down, Levi.
No 10W30.
Yeah, I know. Well, since there's no 10W30, I guess we're gonna go to town to get some. Well, I mean, maybe we could look over here, but
There's no
doesn't seem like we have any 10W30. Okay. This is a real gun, believe it or not. Right here, this is a real gun. My dad just oiled it, but you just have to. It's a real gun. You just have to pull that back, put a bullet in there. That's how you put a bullet. You push it forward. You slide the bullet in there, pull it back, cock it back, and then blast it. Let's go see what else it might be, because I know it's been low on oil for a minute, and it's been running fine. It ran like that one other day, and that's when we ran it super hard. But I think it's just the oil, and it'll run way smoother. I don't think it's the spark plug, because, I mean, it might be the spark plug, because no, frick, my dad just put a new spark plug in there the other day. Brand new Honda spark plug. It's like $15. But, yeah, and I got the Pro tapered grips on it. the brand new grips, but sadly, my dad used too much brake parts cleaner because brake parts cleaner is slick. He sprayed it in. He sprayed brake parts cleaner in there, the grip, to slide it on easier, and it exploded. And surprisingly, it didn't happen to this grip at all. But this grip's good. And it's not the gas or anything. That's the first thing I checked. That thing has, I don't know if you guys could see, but it has gas in it. It has quite a bit of gas in it. Yeah. It has quite a bit of gas. My gosh. It just keeps spinning out of my hands. Ooh. We have any. We don't have any 10 to be 30. So, like I said, we're gonna head out to the store, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow if we get any engine oil or any oil for it and some updates on it. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.